Hey, this is Randy.
And I'm Carly.
SantaFeFord.com near Gainesville, Florida. I-75 right at exit number 399. Right now we're going to take a closer look at a 2013 Honda Civic. Stay tuned. Carly has the details.
This 2013 Honda Civic has a clean Carfax and is still currently under the remainder of its bumper-to-bumper warranty. It has a beautiful burgundy exterior and has been kept in excellent condition. It also has steel wheels and remote keyless entry. Now let's take a look on the inside. The inside has been kept in fantastic condition and has a lot of great features as well. On the driver's side door are the powered locks, windows, and mirrors. There are also some controls on the steering wheel, including the Bluetooth sync and the cruise control. It is equipped with the Eco Assist system. There is the odometer. There is an eye-level digital speedometer as well as a digital display. In the media center, there is AM/FM radio and a CD changer with MP3 capabilities. It has an auxiliary port as well as a USB port located in the center console that you can plug your phone or your iPod into. The seats are cloth, and it also has a backup cam. Lastly, we'll take a quick look at the second row. That was our 2013 Honda Civic. For more information, you can call us at the number below or check us out online 24/7 at SantaFeFord.com. I'm Carly. Thanks for watching.